All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the tuple method. So tuple methods. Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples. So they have the count method and the index method. So the count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple, and the index method searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. So with that, let's jump into our notebook and take a look at this. All right, so we're back inside our tuple notebook. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the tuple count method. So return the number of times the value 5 appears in a tuple, okay? So we're going to do my tuple, and we're just going to type a bunch of random numbers. So we're going to do equals, and we'll do 1, 7, 10, 25, 5, 82, 88, 29, 120, 5, 20, 5, 5, 5, 20, 20, 20, 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 500, 900, okay? Now after that, we're going to do x equals my tuple dot count 5. So what we're saying is, whenever you see the number 5, display that. So let's print x, and I'll run this, and we have 5 showing 6 times. Okay, now I can add this a whole bunch more times. You know, we can add it there, we can add it over here. And this is just so you don't have to hunt for it and guess how many times you have 5 in there. You're writing the program so it will do it for you. And that's really the whole idea, okay? Now, the other method we're going to talk about is the count method, which returns the number of times a specified value appears in a tuple. So let's take a look at that. And it's actually not the count method, sorry, it's the index method. So the index method, we're going to search for the first occurrence of the value 8 and return its position. Okay? So we're going to use this, and I'm going to put that in there, and we're going to put in the number 8 right here, okay, with a space. Now, I don't know what position that's in. I got no idea. However, I can search for it with the index method. So if I do x equals my tuple and then dot index, and we do 8, it's going to give me the position. And then I'm going to print x. Okay, so I run that, and what do we get? 16. So it's in the 16th position of our tuple. Okay? So that's tuple methods. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.